myself Shreya Dikshit. Today I will be demonstrating the Wi-Fi threat detector. Here's the code for this. I have made this by using Python, and the features of this tool is this tool scans available Wi-Fi networks every 120 seconds. We don't need to scan it manually. It will do it for us. It suspects very types of attacks. Let's run this tool. I'll show you the further. Okay, now it's running. As we can see, one pop-up has alerted. That means our tool has detected one threat in the network, which is called as evil twin. Now let's know what is evil twin. In this case, my home setup includes two Wi-Fi routers with the same MAC address and with the same network name. Therefore, it detects as evil twin suspicious. What if this happens in public places like public Wi-Fi's? One should always make sure to check the MAC address and network name before connecting to any of the networks. We have suggested not to connect in any networks. Let's move ahead. This pop-up is just for that my tool is initiating advanced security scan for the threat which has detected earlier. Now it says that the tool, as part of security check, the tool simulates a handshake capture. Handshake are critical for Wi-Fi authentication. Handshake allows security professionals to test for weak passwords and encryption flaws. Now let's move ahead. As we can see, not all the networks are readable. Only the networks with the less threat are readable. If you want to read all the network, then let's switch to dark mode. I have also added dark mode feature to it. As you can see, the tool has detected multiple Wi-Fi networks in the area. Each network is displayed with its security type, also its security signal strength, and lastly is assigned a penetration test score for every network, helping users accessing security risk immediately. As you can see, this pop-up has alert again because this tool scans the network every 120 seconds. Now let's ignore this and move ahead. As you can see, our tool has very interactive dashboard. Here we can apply filter. For example, I just want to see the Wi-Fi networks named by Dikshit. Now let's apply filter. This will redirect the dashboard to only these networks. Now let's clear the filter. One more feature is that export CSV. By clicking on this, this will export one report file, which is report file in our device. It says Wi-Fi export exported to Wi-Fi threat report. I have already created Wi-Fi threat report folder in my device. The report has been exported to that file. Now next feature is hover tooltip. After hovering to this threat, uh, it shows the why these threats are occurring here. Evil twin, access point immediately legitimate want to intercept data. This helps users to identify what is the real threat in this. Now next feature is this recommendation box. For example, if a network is flagged as even 12, the recommendation box will advise users to verify the BSS ID, that is the MAC address, and before connecting use VPN for extra security. uh, this is the recommendation box feature is the main in order to connect. Now next feature is show signals chart. Let's ignore this. We'll go now. As you can see, it shows all the signals available in this network with their signal strength. The strongest here is the PDM network. We can also change the size in order to save or display it in your report. We can also reset it. Now next, if you want to save this report for future analysis, you can also save this in your device. Save this signal strength image in your device. Now moving ahead with our last but not the least feature, which is historical trend. Uh, this feature allows user to visualize past scan results in a time-based graph. This helps user monitor patterns, especially for detecting persistent risk in workplaces or public Wi-Fi zones. So this was all about my Wi-Fi threat detector tool. If you want more further details, you can check out my GitHub profile. I'll make sure to add the README file, also the source code for it. I'll make sure to copy paste the link of my GitHub profile in the description. Thank you for watching.